Why they cry? Why you crying?
My mom upset me.
What's the reason?
She said I'm short.
But you are short, it's true now.
Of course you are short, but you being short, what does it call for her to sack you? Are you not a human being?
So you have been rejected by your
Yes.
parents for being short.
Yes.
The same thing for us too. We are also short. The same thing.
You two, we are short like you. So don't worry. We will take you as our sister.
But
Okay?
she has kept your
Where are
other
your
siblings.
She have locked the door.
Your family is a
Rejected
wicked.
stone. She locked the door. She won't let you take that short clothes.
No.
Then let us
Don't
go.
worry.
We live around
We
here.
will take you as our sister, okay?
Let's go and talk. Eh?
Martha, why are you so worried yourself? Why are you crying? You have to be strong. Why?
You don't even have to cry. Our parents rejected us long time ago. Then we came together as brothers. Then we are fighting for ourselves. Don't worry now. You are a girl, but we will support you. We will take you in as our own sister. Huh?
Just came less than 1 week.
Then you are crying.
What about we being this mess for
6 months we are here. Yes.
But I understand her because she's yes, that's why she was crying.
Girls are not strong.
Yes.
See, the short people life matters too. Why are they treating us like that? No matter, short people have gathered short minds. What we are doing is we are taking you. You'll be okay with us here. We are sleeping on something small, but you will join us. Yeah, dear. Nipa for correct me that way about. So you understand?
2 pillows can be our mattress.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
We are here
Madam,
to seek for unemployment.
as you dey do job,
the way we
we
saw
want
that-
to do something
so that
so
we
you
can
pay
get
us
something.
small.
Oh, I can't employ kids like you. You have to be in school by now. Why are you seeking for a job? No, I can't. I don't want to have issues with the law.
Hey, no! Which one is kiss?
We are not kissing.
You
See my beard. See my
You know
beard.
somebody that look like that, but looks like that.
No, I can't. I'm sorry.
See my
Please,
beard.
you, let's go.
Knocking.
Hey, Maya.
Hey.
Someone.
Someone is there.
What do you want?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, Auntie. We're waking you.
What is it? What do you want?
Oh, madam, please, we want something to eat.
Small food to
We
eat.
start for lunch.
Like short food. You see, we are not tall.
Since morning, yes.
You need small food. So you be gallivanting around. It's my house, you want food.
No, we are gallivanting from home to home. Gallivanting.
So if you work for me, I should give you food to eat.
God bless you.
Shut up. Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll bring you food. Is it not food?
Now go to work.
Don't worry. I'm coming.
More soup.
Okay.
No meat for this one.
Why? I like more meat.
Who your name, Dada?
I like more meat.
Hey, the food is coming.
Could be roaming about short people. You have to come. Did you work for me? No. Come. Stop it, boy. Stop. Look at them like apes. Come to my house again. Look for food. I'll show you.
What the heck,
Alright, so I will send you 3,000 cities, okay? Yeah, the car is at the shop. Alright, so I'll send you the money, okay? Take care of yourself, yeah? Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sir.
Good day, sir. Sir, please. We are sorry to waste you or disturb you, please. Sir, please, can you please show us kindness by giving us something to buy food to?
Please, we need your help.
Please.
I should do what?
We mean that, like, we've not eaten, so if you can give us small money, we buy something to eat.
Since morning.
Just a little.
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
Yes.
Am I a relative? Eh? Are you guys okay?
No.
Eh? Are you guys okay? Will you shut up? No, do you have sense at all? Are you guys human beings? Eh? No, look at your height. Hey, get back here. Oh, so you want to kill me? Eh? You guys are dwarfs. Oh, you guys are dwarfs in this community. Where are your parents?
Our parents said we are dwarfs, so we should leave their house. You are also saying we are dwarfs.
So right now, where should we go to?
Oh, I see. So your parents rejected you and you want me to help you. Look, if you know you guys are dwarfs, let me know. Because how can you be in this community like this? Look at your sizes. The next time you see me, and you talk to me and demand for money, I will turn you guys into the real dwarfs.
Hey, what?
Look at these dwarfs. Live here.
Thank you.
Nonsense. Look at your life.
Sorry.
Anyway, to help is voluntary.
Yes.
We are sorry.
Live my life. No, don't come and be destroying my life for me. Hey, I'm even scared. Ah, look at these people. Look at these dwarfs. What are they doing in this community? Eh? Your parents rejected you and you want me, the unknown, to help you. Give you an assistance. For what? I blame the government. You shouldn't be allowing these hypocrites and these dwarfs in this community to be living. They should be arrested and be sent to the shrine to be working for the gods. Look at them. Your parents couldn't take care of you. Somebody else should take care of you. Are you mad? Look at that lady over there. I don't know if she's in the real draft or something like that. Ah!
So right now, what are you doing? What are you doing?
The thing be say we have been rejected. That be the thing. You understand? You for consider that these short people, you are sucking us. You have to know that how can short people pay fees? Now we have been neglected by our parents. That means we have to fight for our own selves. You understand?
That one be sure. In Ghana here, and if you don't support yourself or you don't do something, no one will help you unless you yourself to fight for yourself. That one be true.
I really like the fact that we are taking plans and the manner they are looking down on me and underestimating me because of our height. I think it's time for we to prove them that our disability, which they think it is, we have to prove it as an ability. Short height doesn't mean it's ability. Yeah, that is it. So it's good with taking
Martha.
plans.
Yeah, you are the woman among us. You understand? What we for do, for do something.
Of course, you have to find something to do.
We for prove them wrong.
Of course. Short height matters.
Short height matters. Short people too are important. So we managed to get something as we went to sell and we understand.
Sure.
We won't sit down for them to degrade us. The
Exactly.
thing is, when we sold the things we went to sell, we got some small amount, and that we can use to pay the school fees and some for ourselves. But you see, we can't change, we can't send those coins to the teachers.
No,
They will think
we
we are
have to
not
change,
serious. So
yeah.
I went to change them. We are all
Come
equal.
together. Thank you,
Support
brother.
it. I use this for the school fees, then we use this one to chop. God go fight for us.
Sure.
We also fight for ourselves.
Yep.
So we are praying for God to give us a helper as we are suffering. Someone should help us. Let us pray.
Pray.
Why are you selling at this ungodly hour? Where are your parents? You are sure? Why? You are a hustler? Yes. Where are the rest?
They are here.
Yeah, what are they doing?
They are tired.
How?
We have to sell before so we can get something to do. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. This is one of my properties. And looking at the situation, when I met Martha, I want to bring you people here to come and stay over. But what did you say your parents were saying?
See, our parents said that we are a curse. Because we are short, we don't deserve to be with them. We don't deserve to live in with them. We are not human beings. We are inhuman.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
So they packed us out of the house. This applies to all of them.
Oh, sorry.
That is why we went to live in that uncompleted house.
Just as I said earlier on, this is one of my properties, and I want you people to come and stay here.
Come and stand by.